we're in Macy's in Woodfield Mall. Woodfield Mall, what am I saying? This is Macy's at Old Orchard. This isn't Woodfield. But anyway, we have these elevators here, and I believe they're Gallaher and Speck. They're either GNS or Otis, but I'd say GNS. And they got modded in the last couple of years by Schindler. Looks like this one's here. And oh, you can see the other one open on the floor below. Anyway. Oh look, you can see that other one coming up. Okay. There it goes. Wow, very slow. Anyway, I'm gonna get out of this door before it nudges. Here's the cab. Looks like they just put a new little interior on it because it used to look different. And these things are busy, so I'm gonna go ahead and hit the button.
Going up.
What? Bro. Okay, yeah, do whatever you want. I don't care. Whatever, all right. What the heck?
Second floor.
Are you going down? Are you, what floor?
Yeah, thank you. First.
First?
Please, thank you.
No problem. I'm just filming for a project.
Going down.
Good. Oh, thank you.
Have a good day. Yep.
Going down.
I rest my case. These things are very busy.
Going low.
Let's go up to 3.
Going up.
All right, we're gonna end it up here. Capacity is 4,000 pounds. This is car P2.
Third floor.
All right. And how's it going? We're gonna watch it close up.
Okay, that's fine.
And there goes this one. And that elevator's about to close up too. We'll watch it. And there goes that elevator. And that's it.